Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am a great cook, but I do not like cooking. I don't know if it's just, am I the only one that's like that? I cook because I literally have to cook, okay? So being here in Da Nang, Vietnam, it has its benefits. So I have sought out a personal chef to cook us lunch and dinner for at least for this week. So both Isabella, so that's 2 meals per day for 6 days. That's 24 meals, okay? So shortly they will be downstairs, and I am going to show you guys all of the meals and also explain the cost of it and kind of compare it to, you know, the meal services that we have there in the United States. But I'm super excited about this because y'all, I always cook. I literally always cook. Like, I'm always cooking, and I feel like I get a chance to get a break and, you know, of course, eat healthy foods as well. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys how. So the chef, she messaged me and she told me that it's a pretty big order. So it's split up into 2 different batches. So the first batch should be here within the next 4 minutes with Grab. She's delivering it via Grab, but Grab normally is a little bit earlier, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes earlier. So I'm just expecting when we go downstairs that maybe they'll be there for the first order. So as soon as we get the first order, we'll bring it back upstairs and start unpacking it and show you guys. No, we're waiting on Grab to come. Right. Yeah. Come on, hold this. It's a big order. Oh my gosh. Heavy? Come on, yes. Okay, so I'm getting ready to unpack it. This is the very first order. Don't even know, it smells good. It smells real good. I smell beef. Let me see. All right, let's see. All right, this is egg. All right, go ahead. You can start opening it, Bells. Oh my gosh, it is a lot. This is 24 meals. Well, this is likely half of it.
We've got some, what is that, zucchini? I think that's some zucchini, some green beans, and some salmon. This is some beef, cauliflower, and I think those are sweet potatoes.
Oh, it's like a saute.
It's like an okra. Some more salmon, zucchini, and broccoli. What is that?
More beef?
More beef, zucchini, and green beans. Chicken. What is that?
It looks like
Pasta?
not pasta.
What is that?
Cauliflower.
Okay, chicken, cauliflower, and I think broccoli. And then that is some beef, zucchini, and green beans again.
Ooh, green beans and onions.
We have a lot more to open though. Let me put this over here. Next order, this is some salmon with some broccoli and zucchini. More salmon. Some more chicken.
Ooh, mushroom.
We haven't had mushrooms in a while.
No, mushrooms and zucchini. Then chicken, mushroom, zucchini.
We have a lot of salmon. That's good. I like salmon. And salmon's expensive. So for all of this, it's probably
Like carrots.
it's probably cheaper to get it cooked and made. So mostly our main meats are beef, beef, chicken, and salmon. Then that's some more salmon. That is some chicken, cauliflower, and like an okra mix. Chicken, cauliflower, and I don't know what that is. Yeah, green beans. We have a lot here. Now this is our last bag, then the next order is coming is chicken, green beans, and broccoli. We have had like beef in a while, but it wasn't that good. Then some more chicken, green beans, and broccoli. Carrots, what is that, ground beef?
Yes.
Carrots, ground beef, and mushrooms. And then our last one for this order is ground beef, mushroom, and carrots. So that's all for right now.
Alright, so how many is this? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's 18. So we should have, what's that? 6 more coming? Why did they, I guess after 20 something they send it, but yep, this is it. And so let's go get that second. It's 18 of them stacked up. We're getting ready to head downstairs to go get the other 6. The second order is here. Yeah, come on. He was saying the traffic is really bad. You gotta learn sign language. So this is the last 6. We have enough meals to last us for the entire week. So I'm super excited about this. So I can't wait to go upstairs and see the combination. Okay, so this is the last 6 right here. Belle's struggling to open, looks like. Very smart. Be careful, it looks like one of them is open. All right, what is this? Chicken. That's a lot of chicken. Is that potatoes?
Let's see. Okra mix, cauliflower, and cabbage. Oh, cabbage.
This one here. What's this one?
Salmon. I know that one's salmon.
Oh, chicken.
I think that's monogoy maybe, and green beans. Salmon, cauliflower, and monogoy. Salmon, cauliflower, and green beans. Beef, cauliflower, and monogoy.
Oh, this one is open. Get this one. Get the back from me. Wait, and it's leaking a little bit. All right, this is chicken. Yum. This one looks really good. All right, so this is all of them together. All 24 of them. All right, so we're going to go over costs of having a private chef cook 2 meals a day. Okay, so let's talk about cost of having someone personally prepare our meals, bag them up, we'll box them up, and then ship them to us, okay? So as I mentioned before, we got 24 meals prepared by a personal chef here in Da Nang, Vietnam, and we got a total of 24 of them, so 1 lunch and 1 dinner for both me and my daughter. So for 6 days, a total of 24 meals, okay? And the total was $3,080,000. I wasn't looking at it right. $3,080,000. That's the total. $3,080,000. And the US total is $116.89. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide that by 24. Oh, got it. All right, so I'm gonna divide that by 24. And so that is basically roughly about 128,000 Vietnamese dong per meal, or about $4.87 per meal. So here in Da Nang, you can get a lot for $4.87. You can get a full-on meal, but like me personally, I'm looking for two vegetables and 2 meats without all of that sugar, y'all. Here they put sugar in everything. When I say everything, y'all, everything. Even, you know, I would try to get some of the crispy pork, and I'd be so excited about it, but then I had to realize that they marinate it in sugar. They marinate their meats in sugar. Not meats, they marinate the crispy pork in sugar, so that's not really gonna help me and Isabella on our health journey while we're here in Da Nang, or in Vietnam in general. So it's $4.87. So that's roughly $116 per week. And I kind of like did calculations before I decided to get a personal chef, and between food delivery and grocery pickups, grocery deliveries and stuff, y'all, we were spending a good $100. So I'm like, look, if I'm gonna spend $100 a week on something, on some crab, or just any kind of food that's not like the healthiest of food, you know, per se, I would much rather get my foods prepared. So the chef that's here in Da Nang, she is in one of our communities here, and she is a great cook. She cooked for us for Thanksgiving, and the food was delicious, so I have no doubt that this food is gonna be delicious, and we're just really grateful to be able to have someone in our community that can cook and do meal prep. I did get prices of other chefs that are local, and they were running similar pricing, but you know, me, I'm more worried on the side of, you know, our personal chef, she's American, and so she knows how to cook our food to our taste and stuff, you know, versus someone that's local. They have their local taste, and you know, hey, they may throw a little sugar in somewhere. It's like, oh, you know, it's low carb. Like, no, it's not, it got sugar in it. That makes sense. So but yeah, roughly $4.87. So if I'm doing that on let me see, if I'm doing that on a monthly basis, let me see, just times 4, that's roughly about $467.55 per month. Can I cook myself? Yeah. But as I said before, listen, cooking is not my favorite thing to do. I'm a great cook, but I got too much stuff going on. I gotta work and, you know, just do all kinds of stuff. It is not my favorite thing to do. I don't care. Listen, I'm a great cook. I just can't say that I enjoy cooking, and it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Behind us is the meals once again. If you guys want any other information, go ahead and put that in the comments. Go ahead and leave a comment if you know, want to see something else, or if you're interested in something else in Da Nang, and we'll see if we can check that out for you. But until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.